no, I'm not Dr. Dre, but I am Leah K for college, and I need your attention for just 1 second, which makes 2 minutes, I reckon. Yes, I know, I've always been a genius in math. That's why I'm on the artist path. No, I actually am. 3,715 minus 48, wait. 3,667, yes, ha, I know you heard me rap before, but I keep going cause we need money galore to create this amazing, blazing, frazzling, dazzling new theater piece. If you give me $100, I'll buy you a ticket to Greece. No, actually, not quite yet, but once I'm famous, you get anything you want, I promise. MS Beteure. MS Beteure, ich will dir kaufen die schönste Säure. Now listen, the Jews among you, I know you have a hard time listening because you rather like to talk, so I'll talk fast and you will have a blast. Why should you support this project? Because I'm in it. No. Yes, well, yes and no. No, because it's an all-women crew. Women, mujeres, les femmes, ragazzine, nashim. Women from all over the world, from Switzerland and Austria, France, Venezuela, America. This theater piece has no script, and you might think this is kind of flipped around, but no, we'll create a show exploring our Jewish identity in today's world, unpacking traditions, the coalition of being Jewish and female. On a wild scale, there will be music old and new. What have we been through? How does the past last in the future? There will be time for Jewish guilt, and any kind of guilt, universal guilt. Moments of dance, time to romance von Jedel mitten Fiedel. This show will be personal and brave, and women will never have to shave again. No, that's a joke, that's kind of my hope, because you see how hairy I am. Anyways, 2 minutes are almost over, so any donation you have, literally at $200 billion, is totally fine. Anything that will help to make this a divine creation, like groovy, like syncopation, is highly appreciated. So thank you for your help to reach our goal of 15 grand. Hey, you look kind of tan, it's nice. Alright, more info's on the links. The last thing I have to say is Shana Tova v'Metuka to all the Jews, and a happy not New Year to the rest of the world. Wie sagt man also in Jiddisch? Shana Tova für all die Jiden und der Rest von die Welt und a schönem Dank für ihr Geld. Happy fasting. Shkoyach.